What's the difference between stop to drink and stop drinking? Reka duhere kuri stop to drink. Dukoresha stop to drink tuvuga guhagarika igikorwa kugira ngo ukore ikindi. Uhagarika igikorwa uri gukora kugira ngo ukore ikindi. Urugero, I was talking so I stopped to drink water. Nari ndi kuvuga I stopped, narabihagaritse kugira ngo nywe amazi. Igikorwa nahagaritse nicyo kuvuga kugira ngo nywe amazi. He was working and stopped to drink some tea. Yari ari gukora arabihagarika kugira ngo anywe icyayi. Uri gukora igikorwa gusa uragihagaritse kugira ngo ukore ikindi. Igikorwa wahagaritse nicyo gukora. Yahagaritse gukora, yarekeye gukora kugira ngo anywe icyayi. Kabiri, stop drinking. Dukoresha stop drinking tubireka burundu, kureka kunywa burundu cyangwa se kureka gukora igikorwa burundu. Like he stopped drinking alcohol. Yarekeye aho, yaretse burundu kunywa ibisindisha, alcohol, kunywa inzoga. Like hano ntabwo dusoma alcohol, dusoma alcohol. The doctor advised her to stop drinking soda. Dr. cyangwa se muganga yamugiriye inama yo guhagarika kunywa fanta burundu. Niba wamenye itandukaniro riri hagati y'aya magambo abiri, subiza kino kibazo. Ikindi ntibagirwe kudufollowinga ku mbuga zacu zombi, yaba TikTok ndetse na YouTube channel yacu yitwa God's Fast English. What are the difference between been and being? Been ni past participle of verb to be, nshinga kuba. Ikorana na have, has na had. Formule yayo dufata had cyangwa se has cyangwa se had tugateranyaho been. Dushobora kuvuga ngo I have been tired all day. Maze umunsi wose naniwe. All day ntibibacange ni umunsi wose. Umunsi wose. I've been tired all day. Maze umunsi wose naniwe. They had been friends for years. Bamaze imyaka myinshi bari inshuti. Being tuyikoresha tuvuga igikorwa kiri muri process, kikiri kuba. Ikindi ikorana n'izi verb to be. I'm, is, are, was ndetse na were tugateranyaho being after. Nkuko twabibonye hano hari is being, was being. The room is being cleaned. Icyumba kiri gusukurwa, kiri muri process, kiracyari gusukurwa, kiri gusukurwa. The bridge was being repaired. Ikiraro cyari kiri gusukurwa, byari bikiri muri process. Ikindi dushobora gukoresha being nyuma ya preposition, like preposition of cyangwa se for cyangwa se n'izindi prepositions. Hano turavuga ngo he is afraid, afite ubwoba of being alone, bwo kuba ari wenyine. She apologized, yasabye imbabazi for being late, yasabye imbabazi zo gukererwa. She apologized for being late, yasabye imbabazi kubwo gukererwa. Niba wumva itandukaniro, subiza kino kibazo. Ntibagirwe gukosora kino kibazo muri comment section. Don't keep me in the dark. What does it mean?
Don't keep me in the dark here.
Mike, you cannot keep me in the dark, not when you're the one asking me for help.
Why did you keep me in the dark about everything?
It means to hide some information from someone. No guhisha umuntu amakuru. Urugero, they kept us in the dark about the decision. Baduhishe umwanzuro. Please don't keep me in the dark about the information. Nyamuneka ntumpishe amakuru. Ntumpishe amakuru. As simple as that. Nyamuneka ntumpishe amakuru. To keep someone in the dark, guhisha umuntu amakuru. Guys, ntibagire kudufollowinga kuri YouTube channel yacu yitwa God's Fast English. ndetse nawe wifuza kumenya Icyongereza, abandi baratangiye, twatangiye kwigana nabo, ngizo nimero zanjye, nimba nawe ushaka kwigana natwe nyandikira inbox dutangire twige. Thank you for watching.